Good morning folks, welcome back to another one of my videos. Got a tale of woe here. I've got a new Stihl top handled on order. We had the MS201 petrol that lasted about 5 years, and then for the last 10 years we've been using, no, probably 8 years, 9 years, don't know, been using a MSA160T electric top handle, and that finally broke the other day, and so I ordered a brand new one, which is now the MSA161T, bit more power, all the rest of it, and ordered it from a company called Gus Hart's in Newcastle, which I get all my arms supplies from, and DPD, the delivery company, delivered it to an address in Penrith in Cumbria. So we were without a top handle chainsaw for a couple of days, so went to the tool station and purchased this electric top handle. It was 120 quid, including the battery, and if it survives a couple of days I'll be happy before the new Stihl turns up. But we're at an engineering company in Sunbury. It did this tree yesterday back to the boundary line. I think the homeowner next door has got the message now, and we're just about to do these ones overhanging the car park down there. It's a high-tech engineering company. All the boys that work here got nice cars. They're just fed up with all the pigeons. All the pigeons pooing on it. I'll show you one other problem which they got. These things here, these black things, are the oil coolers for the milling machines when they're running. They run ever so hot. But there's this eucalyptus tree here, rubbing on the it's rubbing on the guttering system. So I've been asked to take that down as well. But yeah, it's all spindly stuff from now on. Right, let's crack on.